So for this notes, we're going to be talking about slopes of parallel lines and slopes of perpendicular lines. Like always, you need to add this into your table of contents. You need to make sure that you're keeping up with these. Next time I do a notebook check, you do need to have all of these on there. So we're going to put it in our table of contents, and then we'll put it in the next blank page here when we're done. So on the notes, the topic is, like I said earlier, slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. Our essential question is going to be, how do I write an equation of a parallel or perpendicular line? And then the second essential question, we actually have two for this one, is how can I tell if lines are parallel, and I'm going to abbreviate, or perpendicular? So those are our essential questions. Now, this is something that you guys did go over in Algebra 1. We're going to go over it briefly and quickly because this is something that you already should have learned prior to coming to geometry. So this is the equation for a basic linear line. The m, if you remember, that's the slope, and the b, that's the y-intercept. So the slope, that is the rate of change. That might be one way that you heard of it. You might have seen the equation, m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You might have also seen it as rise over run. Those all mean the same thing. We're pretty much trying to figure out how quick or slow is the line increasing or decreasing. That's what the slope means. The y-intercept, this is the point on the line that crosses the y-axis. Y-intercept. Intercept means to cross, and we're crossing the y-axis. You also need to know, and maybe you've heard of this already, this is the value of y when x is equal to 0.